Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? It's Miss Vicky B again. I know y'all are probably wondering what the heck is she doing because she's posting videos every day. Well, I decided to do 7 videos, 7 days in a row, leading up to my fall decorate with me video. My last one is gonna be that. Not my last video ever, my last video in this series. Anyway, so the first one was my fall decor haul. The second one was bringing my fall cleaning supplies down to the bottom shelf in my cabinet so I can easily reach them. The third one was the front porch. And today I'm gonna clean up the living room. Now this is not gonna be a deep clean at all. It's just gonna be cleaning some surfaces and getting the couch tidied up and cleaning up the floor and vacuuming just to get ready to put out my fall decor. Before Christmas, I do hope to do my from filth to fresh in the living room before I put the tree up. So that's coming. But for now, we're just doing these quick cleanups for the fall decor. And I'm gonna show y'all around a couple of things that I'm gonna do and then we'll get started. All right, so basically I'm gonna clean up these shelves leading into the kitchen because I'll put decor there. And then my little table by the couch just needs cleaning off and like wiping down. I'm also gonna clean up the couch. I have some fall pillows I wanna put on the couch and eventually some Halloween pillows. I'm gonna clean up this speaker. I have 2 speakers. One of them don't have anything on it right now, but it needs wiping down. And this game shelf, the TV stand, the mantle above the fireplace, and this shelf. Sorry y'all, the dogs was going nuts because my husband came home. All right, and then like this pillow that goes on the couch fell off in the floor, and this is some of the dog blankets that just got tossed in the floor. They're toys and a towel. Like I've got to just pick up the floor and then we're gonna vacuum the floor. And so I'm not gonna mess with this fireplace part right here today because this is all my summer stuff that I'm trying to pack up. There's also a Christmas thing there. I just don't want to lose that because I couldn't find it last year forever. But once I get all the spring and summer stuff packed up in my totes at the end of these cleaning videos in this series, then we're gonna put all this stuff in the attic. So I'm just setting it here until I get everything put up in there. And then it'll go in the attic and it'll be open right there. There won't be anything sitting there. So let's get started on this living room cleanup video. One other thing I forgot, sorry about that light y'all, but I've got a shelf up here that I have to take some decor off of and wipe down too. Also meant to tell y'all I'm gonna be cleaning this week with the mom, Mrs. Meyers, and some room spray to match. So that's about it for today's video. I hope y'all got some cleaning motivation, and I thought I would end the video with some vacuuming and a little room spray. Y'all have a good day.